Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, you guys, I'm a little upset because this is my second time recording this video and I'm just so frustrated right now because if you're a YouTuber, you know the frustration of having to re-record a video and I'm missing some things like the box that it came in, the card, all that stuff is at home. I'm away with my husband right now, and luckily I had brought mostly everything with me just in case something told me and my gut feeling was right. So yeah, I had to re-record this video. I am missing the box, I am missing the card, so I will try my best to upload everything that I can in this video, but I'm just so pissed off right now. You guys have no idea. I got some new equipment, so it's like trial and error right now, especially with my computer and editing, and it got completely deleted off my computer and off my memory card. So I'm not a happy camper right now. But I'm trying to make the most of it. I'm trying to be positive, you know. But this is my second day wearing this wig. I did wear it yesterday. I did record it yesterday. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on it after a day of wearing. But I did take a week off because, you know, packages have been coming in late, and I was like, you know, I just need a mental day. Like, I work full time. I YouTube, you know, YouTube is my part-time thing for now, and it's just, sometimes it's just too much, you know. You have to constantly be creative and constantly figure out what type of content to post, and it's sometimes it just takes a toll on you. So I took a week off to refresh, and I was refreshed yesterday, and now I'm pissed off today. But stay tuned for the rest of this video. So today we are reviewing Outre's Perfect Hairline fully hand-tied 13x6 lace front wig. It's in the style YVETTE, and I got it in the color DR4/honey. And this is what the card looks like. Okay, so as you guys know that I wasn't able to show what I did a little bit before I did my makeup. Oh, I cut the lace, I used my blasting spray, I did use a blow dryer on the edges. I took my pressed powder to blend it in a little bit, and I'm hoping that I did a good job second time around. With these synthetic wigs, it's like, how many times are you supposed to get a good wear out of this? Because my second time doing the same thing over, it already started to look old. The hair itself is kind of frizzy, so I'm going to have no choice but to put product in it, which is frustrating. I don't like putting product in my wigs because they already don't last long because it's synthetic, but this hair is just like getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So, and it does tangle. It's been tangling last night when I was wearing it. So yeah, I got it from Wig Types. It was on their website for $53. That's a lot of money for some synthetic hair. It is hand-tied lace, so maybe that's where the price is coming from, but I just feel like it's too expensive for it to not last. After wearing it last night, it was matted in the back behind my neck, and this morning I brushed it out and it was frizzy, and there's a lot of shedding. Like every time I run my fingers, every time I run my fingers through this unit, there's so much hair that comes out. It's ridiculous. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. Oh, and there's an elastic band back there as well. But I don't know, I just don't think this is worth the price. Like I said, every time I'm running my fingers through, like there's so much shedding, it's ridiculous. It's a cute unit, and I gave myself a side part. Yesterday I had 3 hairstyles for you guys, but I was like, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it again. Actually, I have a couple photos on my phone, so I'll show you guys those, and I will give you a 360 in the meantime. And yes, this is part of my vacation series, this outfit. If you would like to know more about this cute outfit, make sure you guys check out my clothing haul that will be airing sometime either this week or next week, so stay tuned for that. That's pretty much all I can think of at the moment as far as this unit. Again, I apologize because I'm just like so flustered and pissed off right now. But yeah, I don't think it's worth $53. It is a pretty unit. It is cute. It's fun. You know, if you want to learn how to slay a wig, I would say this would be a good starter wig with the edges and baby hairs. I did have to put my foundation underneath the cap so it could blend in with my scalp, and for some reason I just still felt like it didn't blend in. I feel like the only time I get a really good blend with these synthetic wigs is that if I get my natural skin tone color. That's the only way that I feel like it blends in seamlessly. If you get some, you know, color, you have to like play with it a lot in order for it to blend in. So if you like wig tutorials and if you like to see how your units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and give me a thumbs up and leave some comments below. I know my fellow YouTubers will sympathize with me on having to record twice, and I appreciate y'all for watching, and I will see you guys soon.